In front of me is LG K42, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select lock screen and security, and now click on setup SIM card lock. Here smoothly click on change SIM PIN, and now you need to enter the current one. In my case it's 1234, click on OK then. And as you can see here, you can enter the new PIN. It must be 4 to 8 digits long, so let me enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap on OK and then confirm it by entering the same code again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap on OK. And that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN has been changed. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.